Thinking about getting a CarPlay? You're in the right place. Watch my video and I'll show you how to save 70% of the price. Sounds great, right? Let's dive in. So, I did some digging for the best-selling wireless CarPlay on Amazon US. The original price? Almost $70. But with shipping and tax, the total jumps to around $80. Ouch! And for friends in Canada, you're looking at about $100, with the total coming to $113 after all is said and done. But here is the kicker. On AliExpress, you can snag a similar top-rated one with the same features for just about $25. Tax included, since the shipping is for free, the total comes to about $27. Unbelievable!
Nice.
So please stop wasting your money. Switch to AliExpress and discover a world of better deals and endless options. Want it direct from the source prices without a middleman costs? DM me. I have connections with thousands of merchants, and I'll get you deals you will never find anywhere else.